friends, welcome back to the my new video guys and my YouTube channel. Today friends, we are going to talk about guys super power saving mode, how to on in our Oppo phone. Guys, you want to on your super power saving mode, so when you can on in your Oppo phone. And guys, now let's see how to on super power saving mode setting and how can you use in your Oppo phone. In this video, I will show you guys. So before starting video, friends, first of all, go and subscribe the channel, click the bell icon, like my video. Then we will on phone setting. Then guys, scroll it. Then you can see your phone battery setting. Fans, tap here. As you can see super power semi mode setting. Fans, you want to on, so you can on from here. Guys, you can see this turn on. Fans, tap here to on. So after on, guys, you can see super power saving mode will on. So after on, guys, you use guys only for your phone calls and messages and clock. And guys, you want to add any app, so you can add from here. You can see the battery can last set up to 2 day, 12 hour and 18 minutes. So it's a super power saving mode will on in your Oppo phone guys. So it's you can on your super power saving mode. So that's it guys. Thanks for watching the video. Bye friends.